One of our goals is always to reduce the noise pollution and just be great stewards to our community. With that, we had a lot of park volunteers, we had a lot of park patrons and people that just love our parks, and we didn't want to disturb them. We wanted to be good partners to them, but we had work to do. So electric equipment has been a rock star getting us to where we want to be in the future. Our goal is to outfit as much as possible within our industry and within our park system as a whole, just to be great stewards to our staff and staff safety and hearing protection. It's a slew of opportunity for us to continue to grow.
I could definitely see moving forward if we stay the way we are. I don't think we'll have a gas mower in the fleet. City of Raleigh Parks is very forward thinking. They're thinking about customers and the people out there in our parks and how we can create exceptional experiences for them. And when we're out there mowing, it's less obtrusive to them and a lot quieter, and people seem to appreciate it more.
My hopes is for us to be a destination, and using electric equipment is going to be one more thing that we can add to excitement for people to come see how are we serving thousands and thousands of people. Electric equipment is the pathway to a sustainable future. I truly believe that.